Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If I was to choose one tool to use for the rest of my life, it would be this pair of scissors from Grip. Now, I use these on a daily basis for pretty mundane things like cutting paper or trimming herbs from my kitchen garden. But I love having them on hand because it can handle the hard things too. Look at how it just cuts through layers of heavy duty cardboard. So I use scissors for everything. And these have stood up to all the abuse that I've given them, like pruning blackberry bushes, cutting stone, composite, peel and stick tile, or even cutting through metal. Like, I don't know why I would need to do that, but hey, these can handle it. In fact, it didn't damage the blade at all. Look how perfect they are, even after I cut into this tin. Can your scissors do that? Also, the handles are very comfortable. I have often broken handles on scissors from trying to cut things that were too difficult for them to handle, and that is not the case with these. These are heavy duty and amazing. You really can't do without these scissors from Grip. Just go get yourself a pair. And that's my point of view.